Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate at home for business. First, you'll need to understand the fundamental ingredients that contribute to high-quality chocolate. Next, we'll cover the essential equipment required for efficient small-batch production. Finally, we'll walk through the entire process, from sourcing cacao beans to crafting a finished chocolate bar, ensuring you have a clear roadmap for your venture. To begin, focus on sourcing premium cacao beans, along with high-quality sugar and, if desired, additional cocoa butter for richness. For equipment, a melanger is crucial for refining, a grinder for initial processing, and a tempering machine ensures a professional finish. Don't forget to prepare appropriate molds and attractive packaging materials to present your delicious creations effectively to customers. The process starts with roasting your cacao beans at approximately 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes to develop their flavor. Next, winnow the beans to separate the valuable nibs from their husks. Then, grind these nibs with sugar in a melanger for 24 to 48 hours until smooth. Finally, temper your chocolate carefully to achieve that desirable snap and glossy appearance. To succeed, develop unique recipes and strong branding that truly sets your chocolate apart in the market. Always ensure full compliance with all food safety regulations and secure any necessary permits before selling your products. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof containers for meal prep, along with other great deals. Finally, effectively market your delicious homemade chocolate through online platforms, local markets, and partnerships to reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.